Hey, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing how to work through your thoughts.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I empower women to believe in themselves by rediscovering their worth. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so we can reach more people. So, your thoughts, they might be feeling like they're taking over, and I'm going to do my best to help you work through them. So first, you need to embrace the thoughts and just accept that they are there and it's okay. So take a deep breath and allow them to be. Just let them be there. Now that you've allowed yourself to embrace the thoughts, ask yourself why you have these thoughts. So do this if you have a negative or a positive thought, but usually you want to get rid of or work through, I should say, the negative one. So if you have in your head, I'm not good enough, ask yourself, why am I not good enough? Because I can't do A, B, and C. Okay, why? Well, because A, B, and C. Okay, but why? And just keep on going. And once you've dug deeper and deeper on just continuously asking yourself why, ask yourself, are these thoughts true? Is it true? Are you actually not good enough? And your reasoning for why you think that you're not good enough, is that true? If it's not, then tell yourself what's actually true. And remind yourself of that whenever this thought comes up that you're not good enough. Well, no, that's not true. I am good enough. I am more than enough. I'm here for a purpose, and I can do anything that I set my mind to with God. Now, if you find yourself responding to asking, is this true, with yes, then I invite you to ask yourself why, once again, and really just keep breaking it down until it either becomes a no, or until you just understand that this is something that you may just need to accept. Whatever it is, if it is a yes, embrace it and accept it, because those that we cannot change, things that we cannot change and have no control of, then there's no reason to dwell on it if it's not something that we can actually change or control. So don't stress over it. Take a deep breath and practice accepting it. You are in control of your thoughts, and you have the power to change your thoughts. All it takes is for you to make the choice to change those thoughts. So make the choice. And if you feel as though you need some accountability and some guidance in creating the change in your life with your thoughts, click the link in the description below so you can book your free 20-minute call with me to find out how exactly I can help you with your goals. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you are watching this. Thank you so much for your support. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button and share with your family and friends. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.